So this is day 2 and we left our resort to visit a few spots in Mahabaleshwar. Although we booked this resort for 2 days, but because of the poor hotel management, we booked another hotel in Panchgani, which is nearer to Mahabaleshwar. It took us around 1.5 hours to reach the first spot, Kate's Point. The route was amazing, but the traffic was a bit frustrating. Kate's Point is at a height of about 1300 meters overlooking the Balakpadi Dam on Krishna River. Now, for an interesting fact, Krishna is the third longest river in India and it starts just a few kilometers west of Kate's Point. The view from the Kate's Point was breathtakingly amazing. Also, there were other points nearby like Echo Point, Needle Point, but since it was so cloudy and rainy, we did not get to see a picture. Second spot that we visited was Mapro Garden. It took us around 30 minutes to reach Mapro. Mapro is a short form of Mahabaleshwar products. Mapro is famous for its juicy strawberries and they have their own farms. First, when we reached Mapro, we went to their restaurant, which was so damn crowded, and I was like, "Aisa bhi kya hai matlab?" But their sandwiches, tomato soup, strawberry shake would seriously give you food gasm. Just behind the restaurant, they had their own retail outlet which sells Mapro products. Did you know Falero candies are manufactured by Mapro? We bought Mapro jam, toffees, and drinks. Since we went in mid-August, this is the off-season for strawberries, so we didn't get to visit their famous strawberry farms. After the fun second day, we drove to our new hotel, Hotel Blizzard. It was a nice upgrade from the last one. The property and the views were very good. A pleasant surprise was that they had live music at dinner. Adarsh, the singer, he sang beautifully while we had our egg curry and paneer lababdar. After the meal, I also sang one duet. It was an eventful day. Excited for tomorrow. Peace out.